Today's video is on the moon due to Artemis 2 launching in 2 weeks. On April 1st, the astronauts Reed Wiseman, Victor Glover, Christina Koch, and Canadian Space Agency Guy Jeremy Hansen. We'll talk about the complexity of rocket science and how dangerous space is for the astronauts. This launch is the first manned mission to the moon in over 50 years. The first thing we shall discuss is rocket science. What makes it shoot high in the sky? The rule that has gone unbroken since Isaac Fig Newton is Newton's third law of motion. For every action of force, there is an equal to more of a reaction. This states if you throw mass out the back of your car window, the car will move if the mass is big enough. The rocket has to be shaped right. The more aerodynamic something is, the more efficient the fuel consumption. Think about it, if you ran with a parachute, you'd waste more time and energy than just taking it off. Next, the engine. The engine works by spewing hot gas out the back from combusting the fuel. The more fuel used in this stage, the more power you get. There's a drawback. Too much and you won't have a working engine. There is another factor. Just spewing an erratic random gas is a terrible idea for efficiency. So a funnel is used. This shapes the gas to make it stable. The nozzle forces the gas through a small channel, making it go sonic speeds. The channel expands to cause the gas to go faster. When a gas or liquid is traveling sonic speeds, the process is reversed for accelerating it further. When the gas or liquid is slower than the speed of sound, if you made the pipe grow smaller, it accelerates. With sonic fluids, gas or liquid interchangeable, it is quite different. Smaller exits slow it down, larger exits cause it to accelerate. The rocket's center of mass is very important. The mass should be a little lower than the middle of the rocket, or you risk it jumping all over the place. Fins can be used. It adds spin to the rocket. Think of it as a simple form of gyro stabilization. The barrel of the gun is grooved to cause your bullet to spin. Some designs of rockets, however, eliminate this design, like hydro rockets in the military. Part 2. Outer space is not a friendly place for technology of Earth. Technology must work in space. If you took a calculator to space, it would be destroyed because of the sun's radiation. Think of it as an EMP gun, or in this case, ball. If you lose your nav computer, you're lost in space. If your craft uses solar panels, it must have a protective coating, or you risk space junk hitting your panel. This is overcome with EMP-proof containers and bulletproof glass. Re-entry is the complicated part. This is like Star Wars 3, when Grievous's ship went down.
Open all hatches, extend all flaps and drag fins. We lost something.
Not to worry, we are still flying half a ship. Another happy landing.
NASA invented the AV coat. This coat burns in re-entry to save the astronauts from ending up like Columbia. Anyway, space is dangerous. Please do not start a space agency in your garage like Wallace and Gromit. The Artemis 2's AV coat is faulty, according to some sources that it will be the death of the astronauts. Who knows, you might find a helmet in your backyard swimming pool. Remember, the moon is not made of cheese. please like and subscribe.
Earth